Around 600,000 books are published every year in the US alone. Yet the biggest audiobook platform that there is right now, Audible, it only offers around 200,000 books. As you can see, there is a big disparity in terms of the text and the audio content which is available right now in the market for consumption by the users. We have a solution to bridge this gap, and we call it VoiceNox. So VoiceNox is basically a web application made for authors so that they can turn their textbooks into audiobooks pretty easily. And the best part is the audiobooks that will be produced will be narrated in the voice of the author. So let's see how it works. This is the web application, and you can either sign in as an author or a general user. Over here, you can, in the first input field, you can just give the contents of your textbook. And in the other input field, you have to just upload a 5-second sample of your own voice. So over here, we have uploaded Morgan Freeman's voice sample. So once you press on the generate audio button, this is where the magic happens. So behind the scenes in our backend, we have a Flash server running, which is serving our web application as well as our open source pre-trained machine learning algorithm called as SV2TTS, which stands for Sound Vector to Text to Speech. So this is a novel state-of-the-art algorithm used for voice cloning, which is what we are using on our backend. And as you can see, it's right now working with the inputs that we passed in from our web application, and it's right now working on that and will be producing a final output which will be in the form of a .wav file. So as you can see, we are just done producing the WAV file, and once it's done, you'll see that it automatically populates the output over here. So yeah, this is the narration text, and this is the narration audio produced by the model. So let's listen.
Okay, I'm Morgan Freeman, and I'll be your narrator for today. Let's start.
So as you heard, that's a pretty dope introduction in the voice of Morgan Freeman himself. You can also set the audio speed if you want, and you can also download this audiobook right over from here. So this is for the author interface. We have a similar interface built for general users, maybe for adults or kids, where they can just put in some content of their textbook or encyclopedia and get it read by Morgan Freeman or any of the pre-built voice that we have. So yeah, this is the idea behind our application, and we are really excited to present this to you. Thank you for listening.